Hey everybody, midweek channel update. If you watched the video I posted on Sunday, you saw that I am currently working on a M37 military truck for a museum that I volunteer at. Last week's video went over the teardown of the carburetor. Got it to the point where I was ready to start cleaning and rebuilding. This week's video will be the whole rebuild process, getting everything cleaned up and all of the parts installed. New video will be posted this Sunday. If you want to follow along, see what happens, please hit like, please hit subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and video will be posted on Sunday. Thanks for watching.